Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FirstTrade, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into FirstTrade, begin by navigating to the official FirstTrade website. Once on the home page, locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. On the login screen, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you are using a private device and want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. After entering your login credentials, click on the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password by providing your email address. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. Once your password is reset, return to the login screen. Enter your username and your new password in the appropriate fields. Click the login button again to access your account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account instead of logging in. Click on the Open an Account link to start the registration process. Fill in the required information on the registration form accurately. After completing the registration form, submit it to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and click the verification link to activate your account. After activation, return to the FirstTrade login screen. Enter your newly created username and password. Click the login button to access your FirstTrade account for the first time. Follow these steps carefully for a seamless login experience with FirstTrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.